Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and welcome to this session. Good afternoon. My name is Nouf Jamal. I am a project engineer from BIA. And before I start, I would like to take this chance to thank Dr. Rashid Aleem for all his contribution and initiatives, and also for giving us the chance to participate in this wonderful event. I would also like to thank the organizers for all their efforts. And before I start, I just want to note out something, which is that I realized that I'm the only female speaker in this event, which made me feel special. Thank you. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about a concept that BIA is currently researching, which is innovation in water desalination wastewater. So let's start with a problem, which is the shortage of potable water in the UAE. Let's start with a quote by the Minister of Energy, Mr. Suhail al-Mazrou'i. He has said that water shortage is now a huge concern for the UAE. Approximately 15% of the world's desalinated water is consumed in the UAE, and ladies and gentlemen, this number is very big. UAE is also considered one of the world's top 10 most arid countries in the world. Emirati homes alone consume 44% of the country's water consumption. And the quote goes on as he says, "We are trying to take advantage of every drop of rainwater that falls over the UAE by recycling it. So when we reach 2036, our use of recycled rainwater would have reached 95%. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached a point where it is crucial for every member of the society to contribute in the reduction of UAE's water consumption. And when I say every member of the society, I am including household owners, governmental entities, and the private sector. So let's move on to another problem, which is waste. Here are some statistics. In 2017, the quantity collected of waste in the UAE was about 39 million tons, with daily rates of 107,000 tons. And ladies and gentlemen, if you cannot imagine how huge this number is, 107,000 tons is equal to 9 Eiffel Towers and 3 Burj Al Arabs. This is what the UAE is producing of waste in each day, and this is a very huge number. Only 14% of the waste collected is recycled, and 86% is disposed in landfills. Landfill gas is composed of roughly 50% methane and 50% CO2. And ladies and gentlemen, methane is considered as a powerful greenhouse gas that is 28 to 36 more powerful compared to CO2. So right now we have on our hands two main problems, which are the shortage in potable water as well as the landfilling of waste. So if we wanted to think in an innovative way, do you think it's possible to solve two problems with only one solution? Do you think that maybe it's possible to treat waste and then generate fresh water out of that treatment process? The answer is yes, it's possible. So before I go on with the main concept, let me give you a very brief idea about BIA. BIA is a private public company that was founded in 2007 by an Emiri decree of Sheikh Dr. Sultan Mohammed Al Qasimi, the member of the Supreme Council as well as the ruler of Sharjah. The company specializes mainly in waste management, yet it has many different ventures in many different fields of industry, such as technology, sustainable transportation, renewable energy, and many others. So how did BIA move from a company that specializes in waste management to a company that, let me before that introduce to you the concept of waste to energy. So simply put, and I'll just briefly explain this, the concept of waste to energy is simply the treatment of waste in which we are extracting energy out of that treatment process. And there are different technologies of waste to energy, such as gasification, pyrolysis, and incineration. And regarding the type of waste that is used, many types of waste can be used for waste to energy, yet the most commonly used type of waste is the municipal solid waste, or as we know it as household waste. So, again, how did BIA move from a waste management company to doing big projects in renewable energy? It all started when the company was established with a vision of zero waste. Along our way, with the different experiences that we went through, we have mastered the collection and processing and recycling of waste, and we have successfully reached 76% diversion rate. And what I mean by diversion is that we are recycling and processing 76% of all the waste that we are receiving, and this is the highest percentage in the Middle East currently. However, due to the accumulation of non-recyclable waste, we could not reach 100%. So what we did is, in 2017, we have partnered with Masdar, the renewable energy company from Abu Dhabi, and created Emirates Waste to Energy, a company that will solely focus on the treatment of non-recyclable waste as well as the production of energy. Sharjah's waste-to-energy facility will be the UAE's first waste-to-energy facility, as well as this company's first project. The project will also help the UAE reach two of its main Vision 2021 goals, which are the deriving 24% of its energy out of clean sources, as well as 75% diversion rate of waste away from landfills.